Morton, God knows which level, I do not remember. Oh yeah, you cannot kill the spiders by stomping for the spiders are poisonous even from below. You might know Morton is much less of an asshole than Rayman. Rayman Origins admittelu tiukka paikka. Admittelu Rayman Origins is very beautiful. No, very beautiful game, but it also very annoying look like a webcomic. Yet also beautiful, but it's a very good in half on that matter. But then we have this Morton avoiding the wishes. Or you could say me avoiding the wishes. It's hard to adjust to the speed of the wish. Also haven't I done this level already, or was it just some similar? No. Doesn't matter. No, that's not. I take the down where you can make sit soise. For some